Hello there, teachers. I would like to take you through the process of getting into MackinVIA.com. We used this resource last year. As many of you know, it is a tremendous resource, and especially if we go to remote learning, it will be critical. Okay, so first of all, you can access it if you're at school through the Teachers Apps folder. Also, the student apps folders have the MackinVIA.com link under the M's, or you can just type in MackinVIA.com. You can see it was autofilling for me because I go there all the time. Okay, and when you get to this page, remember that we've changed from Heidelberg to Wiesbaden Elementary. So you type in WIES. When you get to that point, it will autofill for you, and you choose Wiesbaden Elementary. Okay, and then you go ahead and log in. And we are going to use the sign in with Google on the left. Google runs the world. And I have been in there so many times that it took me right in there directly, okay? Because I've been there. And it will do the same for you after you've been in there a few times. But you'll have to go through, it's very self-explanatory, you know, the logging in process. And then when you get to the landing page, this is what it looks like, okay? And the menu on the left is very important. So home, it just shows you everything that we have. What I want to talk to you today about is mostly remind you the ebooks. Okay, this is where kids can go to check out ebooks. Also, teachers can, okay? We can check out ebooks too. That's a really good place. Then we have the databases. Don't forget those databases. There are 27 of them. Okay, and they're for all grade levels. There's just a ton of resources here. And for the littles, the preschoolers, kindergarten, first grade, I want to remind you that at the very bottom, okay, and you can see there's a lot of resources. And there's a description about each one in the middle box. At the very bottom, you will find tumble books, okay? And tumble books are stories that, I got to go all the way to the end. Yeah, Tumble Premium. You just open now. It gives you great stories that you can select. It highlights the words as it reads it. They're entertaining. They're like little videos for the kids. Tumble Books is awesome, okay? So, I want to get back to up top. Sorry. All right, and then the next place I want to show you that's really important are under links, the bottom choice. Here is a link to our library catalog. I made a video for grades 3 to 5 for the students about how to put books on hold in the library, physical books. But I do want to call attention to the Bookflix. That's a Scholastic site. It's got the username and passwords right there. And TrueFlix. Awesome. I can't recommend those resources enough. So Bookflix has both fiction and nonfiction books. They read them to the kids. They have that option. And then the TrueFlix on the bottom, that are all nonfiction books. Same thing. It reads it, highlights the words. Perfect elementary resource. Okay? So that is how you get into MackinVIA.com. All right. Thank you very much, and keep well.